Today I'm going to talk about the present simple tense. I'll talk about the uses of present simple tense and the structure of your sentences. This has been divided into two videos. The first video is about the uses and the second video is about the structures. We use the uses. We use the present simple tense to talk about facts and universal truths. Example: the sun rises in the east, the earth goes around the sun, Ganga flows into the Bay of Bengal, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Likes and dislikes. I like mangoes. My brother likes loud music. I like tea. My sister likes coffee. Habits and routines. Anne goes to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. I go for morning walk every day. I cycle a lot and I go jogging regularly. I finish work at 5 o'clock. For future events, for one-time actions and those occurring regularly. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. The entrance test is scheduled for March. Give instructions and make requests. Press 1 for assistance. Please keep your classroom clean. Opinions. The food is delicious. I smell a rat. We use the present simple tense when we say how often we do things. How often do you go to the dentist? I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. In summer, Nina usually plays tennis twice a week.